Hey beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Yvonne and today we're going to be using the trendy miracle knot extension to create boho braids, and this extension is from ISEE Hair. I'm going to be using 5 packs of the Kinky curly crochet human hair extension. It is 16 inches long and the packages come with some goodies for me, including a headband and some hairpins. Now let's talk about the extension itself. This extension is 100% human hair and it is super soft and of very good quality, so I'm excited to try it out today for my boho braid. Because I do not want to make miracle knots or crochet, I am going to be using this extension as a feed-in for my boho braids. I use regular synthetic braiding extension to start the braids before I start to feed in the crochet piece towards the ending. This extension has a fine thread right in the middle to show you exactly where you're going to feed in. I braid down this thread a little bit until it starts to enter into the curly extension itself, and then I tie it up to secure the ends. I'm doing this because I want the ends of my hair to be curly, and then later on I'm going to go back in and add more curly pieces along the line of the braids for that volume. I'm making the braids knotless because I want the root of my hair to be very seamless and lightweight. And then I'm also going to just go back and add the crochet pieces into the braid itself for that volume later on, according to how I like it. done braiding my full head of hair. This hair took me a number of days, but it was worth it in the end because look at how beautiful and neat it looks. Now I'm going to use my crochet pin to pass in the feathered part of the crochet extension, and then I'm going to tie it in just to secure it. Nothing that's going to harm my own hair integrity itself. Out of the 5 packs, I used 3 packs for the braid itself, and then I used 2 packs for the feeding extension to give the boho effect. And I just did this according to how I was feeling. Some braids had 2 pieces, some braids had 1, and I just did this to make sure that it wasn't too full or too heavy, just the right amount that I would like. Once I was done with adding the boho pieces, I trimmed down the ends of the hair because I didn't want to dip it in hot water. There was no need for this. Trimmed down the ends of the hair, and I also didn't want to curl it because the curls are already popping and there's really no need for that. Lastly, I go in with my foaming mousse to hold my curls in place and to keep them looking shiny and glossy and beautiful throughout the duration I'm going to have this braids in. That's the last step, and then my hair is actually done. Now I'm just going to show you what styling this hair is going to look like. You basically go in with a little bit of water from your spray bottle to bring back the curls to life whenever you want to style it to go out. And once it's popping and it's looking luscious and bouncy, your hair is ready. You can put it in any style of your choice, whether it's a ponytail, whether it is anything you want to do just for that occasion. You can feel free to do that because your summer hair is ready, and it's because I've used the ISEE Hair extension to achieve this hairstyle. As much as this hairstyle took time because I was making a full head of knotless braids, I'm going to say this was a very simple one to achieve. I'll be adding details about this extension in my description box, so make sure you go read that, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye loves.